Named as one of the most prestigious estates in Volusia County, this home is the epitome of luxury living. Welcome to 4 Broadcreek Circle in Ormond Beach, Florida. The main house has 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and this, well, it's the primary suite spa-inspired bathroom. While the interior of the home is impeccable, this outdoor kitchen takes dining with family and friends to a whole new level. Now, let's explore one of the home's unique features, the pool house. So what do you think? Pretty impressive, right? If you'd like to learn more about this estate, go to lifestylegroupdaytona.com. I'm Didiayer. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next luxury tour.